You gonna pack some fudge on there? Grease. Suppose now I should buy a big grease pump so we could pump them all full. Yeah. No, that shit, that stuff, that Napa stuff, that wheel bearing grease is sticky shit. I just had him get a tub, right? Did you use up the other one?
No, sure.
Okay. Gotta go see Troy. 5-inch. I gotta go see what 5-inch is doing.
Scoop on your 5-inch.
Scoop on your 5. What are you doing back there?
Batteries.
Oh, 2 new batteries. Why? One was what?
Bad.
Bad. It said right on the meter. It went right down to. It was bad. And the other one wasn't good. New batteries, huh? That's impressive. Where did we get them from? John Deere? They'll last longer now, I bet you, huh? Who knows? Okay, I just had to come over here and see what the heck 5-inch was doing. What kind of pliers is this 5-inch?
Magic.
That's cool. Where'd you get that from? Strap on?
No.
Tooling around? Or did you take it out of Kyle's toolbox?
No. Bastard.
Bastard, yeah. Or what? Okay. I'll quit now. I just had to do something. I was watching cartoons last night. Tennessee Tuxedo. You guys ever heard of the, now I can't think of the name and I don't want to be a smart ass. Mr. Peabody? He was the one with the Wayback Machine. The Wayback Machine.
What's a Wayback Machine?
You go way back in time. We're gonna do that someday. We're gonna go way back in time here. Pointing up at the ceiling. Alright.
You are a simple-minded critter, aren't you, Mike?
I'm a very simple-minded critter. Wayback Machine. We're gonna go way back. Suppose I better go to work, huh?
Sometime this year you might as well put a day in.
A whole day? Really? I gotta put a whole day in sometime? Wow, what do you need chain for?
Trying to keep that the tool slips off. The torque multiplier.
How come?
Gasket.
Why don't you just use an impact?
Impact ain't gonna move it.
How tight you tightening it?
Gotta
So you can get it?
It's still moving, so.
Oh. Been doing the jack thing up and down?
Yeah.
What are you doing in there, Wimpy?
Me?
Yeah.
Put my drive shaft in.
Why do you got the porta power up?
Rear disconnect.
Oh, you released the rear drive?
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't have to run the machine?
So you can spin the yoke.
So you can spin the oak. Not the maple, the oak.
Yeah.
Oh, and then that phone has to ring right when I start filming at 11. Somebody answered it. Well, if we don't come around the corner in about 2 minutes, I'm good. Right? Right. Oh, it's time for a walkabout. How did my torque multiplier get so short? Oh, you took the handle out. You got that tighter than hell, don't you? It's all back together. Did you pound her full of grease yet? No. Okay. You should spray some on that. You should take that, where that metal tin cover is in there. Take a fingerful or two and seal that off. That's that old one. You see how rusty that was?
Yeah.
Some shit getting in there. Just like a bead of caulk, but just force grease in around that nut and keep the water out. What's all that oil from?
That hose.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go over by Troy now and see what he's up to, because I haven't done much all day like this. Troy's back in the saddle again. Look at that. You got all your parts today, huh?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
All both of them.
All both of them? You still got the engine mount off? No, you had to put that back on.
Back on, otherwise you can't get it.
What goes right there though?
What?
Underneath them bolts?
These?
Yeah. Bracket for the, whatchamacallit?
Holds the.
Filters.
You got this around that pump.
Oh, really? They got that to hang? Okay, gotcha. Well, good. You're getting progress, and you got the other filter on down in the hole. Then we got another one to do. Are you gonna do that one, or is
I don't know. That one's the easy one.
that one? Yeah, you don't have to take half as much crap out of there. What are they using that for? All their auxiliary functions?
This pump?
Yeah.
Fan.
Oh, that's just strictly the fan. That's right. That's right. Just like the harvester. Reversing fan. Okay. Now I'm going to show them what I did. That's what goes there. Fan pump. We got a spare one on the bench that's junk. I've been really good to you guys today. I haven't filmed much at all. Because I work this afternoon. Oh. Didn't I, huh? Well, if you saw what I took out of here, right? How did you take a look at? Yeah, I'm playing with my hose all day. Did you take a look at how nice that looks though? There ain't 14 T's and elbows and yeah, all the flow restriction. Them two go back to the hydraulic cooler, right up into the cab, right back to the block the way it should be. One circuit. Before they had, I don't know if you saw that. It's all over there. T's. Filled her up with antifreeze. Time to get her. No, tomorrow I can wire it up, eh? Do you know Abe Pagoda?
Huh?
Abe Pagoda?
Abraham Kubota?
Did you ever watch Barney Miller?
I don't watch YouTube.
How about the Jeffersons?
No?
You never saw the Jeffersons?
Yeah, I've seen the Jeffersons.
What about J.J. Walker?
Never heard of her.
That's a guy.
Waltons?
No, what was that show?
Little House on the Prairie?
Yeah, that too. The Waltons. No. Night, John Boy.
Keeping up with the Kardashians?
Good night, John Boy.
Leave it to Beaver.
Yeah, Leave It to Beaver.
Played it with a beaver.
No, didn't you ever hear that one?
What?
June Cleaver, she would say, Ward, you were a little hard on the beaver last night. And that's what she said in the movie, or the show. That was before beaver took on a different name, or a meaning. Ward, you were a little hard on a beaver last night. Ah.
I hear that a lot, but my name's not Ward.
Yeah. Whatever. Did you hear that, Troy? Yeah, we're getting somewhere today again, right? Nobody wanted to get out of bed though. It was one of those, what was that, one of them days?
Huh?
Woke up and it was just piss raining out and everybody was late, including me. Well, Jeff wasn't. We're tired of this crappy weather. We want the sun to shine.
He's still relatively new though.
Yeah, he's new. He doesn't know what he can get away with yet, like you guys do.
Jeff, you can get away with a lot more than you're taking advantage of. Yeah. Well, yeah.
Yeah, because
You can be late, you won't do nothing.
we're just talking shop here and Oh yeah, and how big of a, where's that broken, come on, show them how powerful you are. Where's that broken part that you borrowed, that broken tool? From the neighbor guy?
It's lost. I
Well-
kicked it across.
Oh, it's right, no, that ain't it. That was what, a 1 inch?
3/4.
I'll show you someday. I'm just making a little video.
She goes.
Cause they broke a 1 inch to 3/4 inch adapter yet again. Snap on. Put it right in front of her. Nice. That's how much power these guys got.
You have more than that.
You do? When are you gonna use it?
Huh?
I said, when are you gonna?
Start buying bigger tools.
Okay. We need hydraulic tools. We need hydraulic wrenches. If anybody's got any out there, send them our way, right?
Yeah.
Hydraulic, them, we can use, you could use
We need like 2-inch drive shit too.
2 inch drive?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you gonna, what are we gonna take apart with that?
Anything.
Just shear it off. Alright. I had enough. What time is it? Coyote.
Not even 4.
Oh, it ain't? Oh, shit. I gotta find something to do yet then. I suppose I can get the wires out and start figuring out where I'm gonna run wires in this cab. Where'd you put the last, by the steering wheel, didn't you? Right in that front kick. That's where I'll put it. The steering wheel is disconnected in this one too. Troy's got so many tools, he don't know what he wants over there. 5 inch. Take it, run. Run like a little devil. That's what they call a swindle sheet. Did you know that? That's what Grandpa always told me, and he worked for the county. The county guys would do that, they'd have the swindle sheet. I got mine done too. There's a cat guy here. And here comes 5 inch. Did you ever see the Love Boat? That was a show too.
Okay.
They wore bell bottoms. It was about cruise ships. I was watching cartoons last night on YouTube. There he is. He belongs on the Love Boat. 5 inch. I was watching. Nice sweatshirt. Where'd you get that? Logger Wade, a pair of apparel. Paraphernalia, yeah. Okay, I was just quizzing you up on TV shows from way past. How about Rocky and Bullwinkle?
It's a little red.
What about Speedy Gonzales? Okay. I think we're gonna call him Gazoo. Gazoo! That's what the shop name is right now, because it's full of green little Martians, these green machines. From the Flintstones, remember Gazoo? He had that big round head. He was magic. Like me. She's magic like me, right? I just touch stuff and it's fixed. What a joke. Better watch it. You guys gotta do your paperwork, huh? Alright, enough of that.